Chase perfection, catch excellence. Inherit quality, endorse ethics. Cross the limit, dream beyond. Green Valley Public School, Nellikaparamba, Mukkam, Calicut.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, the Literary Club of Green Valley is pleased to bring forward to you a beautiful segment, Mind Your Vocabulary. We have been speaking a lot about vocabulary, and here it is, a formal training in vocabulary. Mind your vocabulary. Learn new words and expressions. Frame meaningful, beautiful, error-free sentences. So, come on, let's go. Yesterday, September 29th, was World Heart Day. So, there are a lot of words in association with the word heart. So, let's go ahead and see some expressions that contain the word heart in it. For example, there is an expression, eat your heart out. Eat your heart out. An expression used to tell someone that you are jealous, you regret, or you show your anguish. Eat your heart out. From the bottom of my heart, with utmost sincerity. This is one expression we use very often. Have a heart. That means try and be sympathetic. That is the meaning of it. Heart and soul. If someone is in the heart and soul of something, then you say he's energetic, he's enthusiastic. In a heartbeat means immediately. My heart bleeds for. I feel very sorry for. You say my heart bleeds for. To mind it in your heart to do something. To summon up willingness to do something. To mind it in your heart. To show the willingness in something. To follow your heart, that means to do something of your desire. This is an usual expression. To get the heart, to get to the heart of something, in the sense, most essential aspect of something. To get to the heart of something. To have a change of heart, to change your mind. So there is an alternative expression, to have a change of heart. To have a heart of gold or to have a heart of stone is to be generous and kind. To have a heart to heart means to have an intimate conversation. So to have a heart to heart. To have your heart miss or skip a beat. To be startled or surprised. To have your heart in the right place. To be well intentioned. To have your heart set against something. To be against something. To have your heart set on something. To want something very much. To have your heart set on something. To know in your heart of hearts. To know something as true despite not wanting to believe it. So to know your heart of hearts. To know, learn something of by heart. To know something from memory. This is a very common expression. Usually children do this. To by heart. To lose heart, to give up. To lose heart means to give up. To not have your heart in something. To not really want to do something. So you say to not have your heart in something. To pour your heart out. To vent out feelings. To open up and speak out your feelings. You say to pour your heart out. To take something to heart. To take something seriously. That's to say to take something to heart. To tug at someone's heartstrings, to appeal to someone's emotions. So you say to tug at someone's heartstrings. To wear your heart on your sleeve. How do you wear your heart on your sleeve? To openly express your feelings. You say to wear your heart on your sleeve. With a heavy heart, with sorrow and regret. To express sorrow and regret, you say heavy heart. So these are some of the usual expressions or some of the beautiful expressions in association with heart. Besides this, we also have light-hearted, soft-hearted, heavy-hearted, hearty welcome, bottom of the heart. So there are a lot of expressions in association with the heart. I hope this will be quite useful for you when used in a sentence. So always try to learn words in groups so that you can associate and learn, you can relate and learn. That is a very useful technique. It is actually a hack that you can make. I hope this will help you. We can have more episodes like this. Thanks for joining us in Mind Your Vocabulary session. Thank you. Happy learning words.
Green Valley Public School, Nellikaparamba, Mukkam, Calicut.